We're at Wiscombe Park, Hillclimb again. This time it's the Wiscombe Manor event. This time of year we're normally in Manor Farm in Charmouth, but unfortunately we no longer have that venue. But mainly thanks to Dave Pierce and the organising club, they've managed to get us onto Wiscombe Park for an extra event, which is fantastic. Not only that, but we got motorbike and sidecars as well as cars on this event. Duncan's looking a bit shy this afternoon there. So we got the usual mix, the usual people. We got Tim there, he's showing off, revving up his rally car, and Kevin's looking on, he's thinking, wait till you hear my Millington, which we'll see his black Escort going up the hill shortly. And so there's some of the modified cars and the rally cars, but here's a quick look at some of the single-seaters, the motorbikes, and the motorbike and sidecars. The outfits are some of my favourites. We've only got limited footage on this event, so I was competing myself. I wasn't able to get that much footage unfortunately, but it'll give you a quick look, and then we'll finish up with a run of myself going up the hill. Not my best time, but my excuse was it was pretty greasy and slippery, and that should make up for my lack of driving talent. So I hope you enjoy the clips that we have got.
We got lights.